Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit crypto to Poloniex. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to deposit cryptocurrency into your Poloniex account. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device, which of course I've done right here. If prompted, log in to your account. Now, from the app's home screen, tap the wallet icon. This can usually be found in the main navigation menu at the bottom of the screen. So click on the wallet icon, and once you're in the wallet icon, you'll see options for deposit/buy. Now, tap on deposit/buy to start the process of adding crypto to your account. Now, in here, you have a drop-down menu that says deposit P2P and buy crypto. Now, select deposit. Once you select deposit, it'll take you to a window where you'll be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies that Poloniex supports. So these are the cryptocurrencies from ETH. These are popular, BTC, HTX, down to a wide array. Now scroll through or use the search bar to find a specific crypto asset you want to deposit. So let's say Bitcoin. I'm just going to click on Bitcoin. And once you've found the cryptocurrency, just go ahead and tap on it. Then Poloniex will give you this prompt for you to select a network for your chosen cryptocurrency. So go ahead and select the network. So let's say I want it on BSC. Now it says, okay, BSC suspended. So I can just click on that to change, let's say BTC. Now this is it. So Poloniex will generate a unique deposit address for your chosen cryptocurrency, which we have in here. This is the address where you will send the crypto from your external wallet or exchange. Some cryptocurrencies may require an additional tag or memo, so be sure to copy this along with the deposit address if required. Go ahead and tap on the copy icon next to the deposit address. All right, and once you do that, you'll be able to copy it to your clipboard. You can use the QR code provided if your external wallet allows scanning. So open the external wallet or exchange where cryptocurrency is currently stored. Then in your external wallet, go to send or withdraw option and paste the copied Poloniex deposit address. Add a memo or tag if required into the appropriate field. Then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and confirm the transactions. After sending the funds from your external wallet, return to the Poloniex app. The deposit will usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the cryptocurrency's network confirmation types. To check the status, go back to the wallet section and select the deposit history tab to monitor your incoming transaction. And once the transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain, the deposited cryptocurrency will appear in your Poloniex account wallet, and you receive an in-app notification or email once the deposit is complete. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.